Hello everyone, and in this video I am going to show you how to install a Xilinx ISE software in your PC and to run that in your computer and to write the Verilog codes for different systems that you want to design. So before going to that, first you have to know that how to install Xilinx ISE software. For that, type in the Google that Xilinx ISC download. You can click on this so that you will be directed to this page, and then click on download Xilinx so that the net is a bit slow. Sorry for that. Click on download Xilinx, and here you will be directed to this page, that is Xilinx. And now you can see that here 14.7 Windows 10 and 14.7. You click on 14.7 so that now you scroll down like this, so you can see different important information: ISC design suite, 14.7 full product installation, etc. So that now here these two are the important things that we have to notice, that the full installer for Linux, that is for if you want to download for the Linux, or then you have to download this of size 6.09 GB, and for Windows or Windows 7 XP server, then you have to install this, that is 6.18 GB. You have to click on download this, and this will take a bit time, so as the size is very large. So I have already installed that in my PC, so now I'm not going to install it again. So that now I will open the Xilinx software, how it will look like, and in this video I will explain what are the types that you have to fill before directly writing the Verilog code, and the basic keywords that are useful in the Xilinx software while coding. Now I'm going to explain all that for you in this video in the remaining time that is left. So you will be asked with this, and you will after clicking on Xilinx ISE, and the installation will be same as like installing an Android app in your mobile phone. You have to click next, and you have to finally say finish, and you go to file and click on new project, so that you will be asked that on new project wizard you have see, if you observe that enter a name and location of the project. Now here you can enter any name, and as do you want to rewrite? Yes. Now you have to select this file, these categories in the project wizard, that the product category should be all, and the Spartan 3 board, we are going to dump our Verilog code into the Spartan 3 board, so I have to select Spartan 3. Now the device is XC3S200, and the package will be FT256, and the speed will be -4, the speed grade will be -4, and the synthesis tool is XST, and the simulator is ISE simulator, and the preferred language is Verilog. We are going to write all the codes in the Xilinx in the Verilog here in this series of videos. Now next you have to click on enable enhanced design summary, and you have to click on next, and you have to click on next until you observe a finish, and then you will be asked with this type of window. Now you have to add a source, since it is not already there in this PC, so I have to create a new source, so that I have to write the code. And in this set of options you have to select a Verilog module, since we are going to write the code in Verilog language only, and Verilog text fixture refers to the test bench that we have to write, and by selecting Verilog text fixture, and here we have seen the test bench waveform. By this also we can give different test inputs for the circuit that you are design. Now here I am going to write something Vasu, and you have to click on the add project to add this to the new project, or the project wizard window. Now here you can place the input values or output values or in out values, or you can directly write in the module or in the code section, or you can directly write there. Or let me show you an example, that if I write input A, and here output, I will make this output B. Then if you click on next, you can see that I have already got these two. I am going to zoom that for you. You can see that here I already got input A and output B here, but I can also add different variables if I want, and I can write that input C. It doesn't matter really, you can write here or there, but writing there, if you know the pre setup that what are the inputs and what are the outputs, then it is efficient that you need not to type all this. And some keywords, if you clearly observe the module and the input output, the colors are blue, so that in this you can say, if you type any keyword and if the color is not highlighted, for example, if I type in instead of input, if I instead of T, if I place G, then the color is not changed, you can clearly see that. And there are some more keywords like case and case, or dollar time, dollar finish, dollar monitor. So these are all the keywords that you deal while writing code in the Verilog. And there are some constructs like assign, deassign. So by using this all, you can see that by using this blue color, and you can say that the keyword that you entered is correct or not. And here you can see that module is there, which means that in the Verilog design, we break the huge lump circuit into small blocks, that where each individual block can be called as a module, and you're going to write the code for each individual block. So you keep module in the beginning and you have to end that what you wrote, so it is called as end module at the end. So that's all for this video. And I think you all guys learned how to install the Xilinx software in your PC. And in the course of these lectures, we are going to deal with a Verilog code for all digital circuits that we have studied till now in your academics. And from small experiments, we are going to start and we are going to end with the real life situations. Thank you for watching, and that's all for this video.